Today we will learn Python, how to install Python in mobile phone, in laptop and PC, and you can also use Python without installing, right? So let's get started. First of all, open Google Play Store and search application PyDot. After installing this application, you will get the interface, and then you have to write the code. Then this is the run option. When you write the program, then press run option. It will show the output. Now let's start understand what's its meaning. Okay, you have two parts. First is function. Print function is used to show whatever you have written inside this function, and the next one is value, the value which you want to see, you want to show in the program. Easy na? Yes, Python is so easy. Now we will install Python in the laptop or computer. Now first of all, open your browser and search Python downloads, right? Click on it. You will get the first link, officially website. Okay, this is your official website. I will show you www.python.org. okay, click on the download Python option like this. You will get first option, download Python. Click on it. Now this will ask you where this setup you want to save. Now click save. Start downloading. Downloading complete. Now click on your setup. It will start. Okay, so now first of all, you have to check this and this option. Okay, now click on install now option. The installing process is start. Now installation is complete, right? Now close. You can search IDLE Python. Now first option, you will get the first option. Click on it. Your application is installed successfully. Let's check. print my name is Yunus. Now enter. Yeah, this is the output. It's easy now, and you can also save this file from this option. Use this option. You can create a new file and write a huge code, and after write, for example, just print. Okay, now you can use the run option. This is the run option. Click run module. Okay, then it will ask, I want to save your programs. So you can save, give the file name. I will give the name of that file, like demo1. okay, these are your extensions. So now click on save option. Your program will execute, and the output is this, www.google.com. I hope you understand. Now the third one, if you don't want to install anything in your computer, open your browser, write Python online compiler, and click on it. Get the first link and click on the first link. Now this is your compiler. You can write whatever you want to. For example, print I love programming. Okay, now see, I love programming. Press run option and you will get the output. Thank you for watching this video.